Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to share highlights on Instagram. Whether you want to showcase your favorite moments or share something special with friends, this process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Next, navigate to the profile that contains the highlight you wish to share. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on their profile, look just under their bio section. Now, it's time to find the highlight you want to share. Highlights are typically displayed in circular icons right below the bio. Scroll through these icons until you locate the one that catches your eye. Once you've found it, click and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options for you to choose from. It's a handy feature that allows for quick access to sharing. From this menu, select Share To. This option lets you share the highlight directly with others through various platforms. You can send it via direct message on Instagram, or even share it through other apps like Facebook or WhatsApp. Finally, choose where you want to share it. You can send it to specific friends or groups, or even copy the link to share it elsewhere. It's that easy. Just hit send, and your highlight will be shared with those you selected, and there you have it. Sharing highlights on Instagram is a simple way to keep your friends updated with your best moments. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy sharing.